How to navigate the user interface of Aichat. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to navigate the user interface of Aichat. So navigating the user interface of Aichat is straightforward and user friendly. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you can go ahead and create your account. So for that case, you have to install the app, and then once it is completely installed, so first of all, you'll typically land on your home screen. Now this screen may display recent conversation, recommend, contacts, or other relevant information as well. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to find a navigation bar, and this bar usually contains icons or label for accessing different sections of the app, such as chat, contact, groups, or settings. And when you tap on a chat icon or label in a navigation bar to view your existing conversation, then you'll be able to see a list of contact and ongoing information as well. And if you're a part of any group chat, you can access them by tapping on the group icon or labeled as. Now, and to view or edit your profile settings, you can go ahead and tap the profile icon or the gear icon from the top right hand side corner, and then you'll be able to see your profile information, status, and other account details as well. Likewise, the many messages app include Aichat offers a search feature to help you find specific messages, contact, or group quickly. You can look for the search bar at the top of the screen or bottom of the screen and enter your search query as well. Now, depending on the app's capacities or capabilities, you may find additional features like voice messages, file sharing, video call, or stickers as well. You can go ahead and explore the interface to discover and utilize these features as needed. So that's how you can interface the user interface of Aichat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.